Okay, this is 7619 Barn Owl. A lot of military in this community because it's pretty close to Fort Carson. So I'll just pan the street for you. All right, let's head inside. You do have a nice porch area here with a porch swing. It is covered, of course. Walking in, you have your stairs to the left. You have coat closet, extra storage underneath the stairs. Your half bath. And then your family room. Very high ceilings. You look up. Nice windows out back. There's laminate flooring in the kitchen and family room area. And this is a popular model. I've sold quite a few of these. The kitchen opens directly into the family area, which is nice. You can get a nice big table, seat plenty of people. Kitchen on the far end. You have nice 42-inch cabinets, black appliances. You have a pantry here, double door pantry. So, wood shelves. The laundry room is off a little mud room off the garage when you walk in. You do have a coat closet here. In the garage. You got a lot of junk in their garage, which is normal when moving, but it's pretty standard two-car garage, nothing special. Take a look outside first, and then we'll go upstairs. The backyard has, it's actually pretty nice deck, but no landscaping. So it is all fenced in. Do have some open space behind you, which is nice. You don't have neighbors, but you need to do a little work on the landscaping. Got a storage shed behind you, and then you do have mountain view in the distance, which you'll see better from your second story. Going upstairs, a window at the top of, or not at the top of the stairs, there's a landing here that overlooks the lower level. And if you see out the top window, you see that mountain view. Little nook at the top of the stairs. A lot of people put a desk with a computer up there. Do have some high windows in the front of the house. Start with the master. The master faces the rear of the house. We do have a double sink and a soaking master tub with some high windows. Toilet area and walk-in closet. Your upstairs bathroom for your kids. Second bedroom looks out on the front of the house. With, of course, a closet, two-door closet. Third bedroom, again, looks out the front of the house. They have ceiling fans. That one has a small walk-in closet. Linen closet in the hallway. Overlooking it. That's it. Call me with any questions.